Back to Joe's Astrology. And this is the birth chart for Leonardo Dicaprio. And this is an interesting one. He's a sun in Scorpio, a Libra rising, and a moon in Libra. And you can see this pile up of planets in the second house right here in Scorpio. His sun is in Scorpio. Looks like his Mars is in Scorpio and Venus, Mars, and Sun. And interesting enough, we have this same triple conjunction right now. I didn't even try that. We have this same triple conjunction in Capricorn going on right now, and I have a lot of planets in Capricorn, and I'm definitely feeling it. It's been an interesting week. But this guy's money more than anything else. He gets the best parts. He gets all the praise. So let's take a look. Libra rising. Ruler is Venus. Venus, the planet of money, the ruler of his chart, and it's in the second house. So as I said, the ruler of the chart is money, Venus, and it's in the second house, this house of money. And then on top of that, it's also in that opposite sign of Scorpio, other people's money. Taurus, your own money. Scorpio, other people's money. And there it is, that another triple combination right there in the second house. But he's more than that. Obviously, it's not just that. He is an actor. So let's take a look at that. His south node is here here's his north node in the third in Sagittarius, and the south node is in Gemini in the ninth. So where is he coming from? He's coming from this south node place in the ninth, and the ruler is Mercury. And Gemini could be a sign. Gemini and Mercury could be symbols for actors and actresses, because it has that ability to put on masks, to be different people, to show different faces. And obviously, being an actor, to be able to play different parts without actually putting on masks. You're actually playing different roles and becoming different people. Shapeshifters, Gemini. And that's what he does as an actor. And then we can see his north node is in Sagittarius there, and it's conjunct Neptune. Neptune at 8 degrees, conjunct his north node. Everything coming to fruition that has to do with Neptune. We're talking about acting. Neptune would be a planet that symbolizes acting, and his Jupiter is in the sign of Pisces that is ruled by Neptune as well. And it's in the house of work, the sixth house there. And it's also making an exact square. So I've said this before, you start to see these patterns. Right now I'm doing this as a general reading, and haven't prepared for it at all. And you can just start to see these patterns. You could ask, is it a coincidence that I talked about this south node being in Gemini, and then the Neptune with the north node, and then Jupiter's in Pisces, and then Jupiter's squaring the Neptune? Is that a coincidence? And then as you can see here, Jupiter's trining the Mars. Jupiter's trining the Mars that is in his second house, sixth house, work, money. It's very easy for him to get money from his work through acting. And is it a coincidence that the ruler of the south node, Mercury, is at 29 degrees, the critical degree? Something in the life that has to do with Mercury on the second house cusp is very important. Is that a coincidence? Is it a coincidence that he's a genius actor? That's what people would say. And there's Uranus, the planet that rules being a genius, conjunct the Mercury, exact conjunction there, 29 degrees. Is that a coincidence? His moon is there, pretty much making a conjunction, a triple conjunction. The moon, Uranus, Mercury, all in Libra. I would say it's not. It's not a coincidence. You see, he's part of fortune, money, second house. Something else that we could say about this person that doesn't have to do with, I'm not sure what I was going to say. It doesn't have to do with these, the career, even though you can see Saturn there in the 10th. Retrograde, he's redoing something that has to do with Saturn in the sign of Cancer at 18 degrees there, making a trine to that sun in the second house. So he's redoing something that has to do with the career. You could say this is a person that has a lot of experience coming into life with this acting career. It's very easy for him. I mean, he was a childhood actor, a famous childhood actor as well. But speaking of this Libra rising, he will have relationship issues in this life. And you can see with that being a major theme, Venus and Libra. And a lot of those issues could have something to do with his values, could have something to do with his money, could have something to do with sexuality, Scorpio, second house. And, the Libra rising does have Aries on the 7th house cusp. Ruler is Mars. So definitely some relationship issues looking at that for this person's life. And you could even see, I believe I've seen him dating a lot of younger women. And you see that there with the Mars. The Aries on the 7th house cusp, younger women. Aries is a young sign, very lively sign. But yeah, I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to leave it there for now. There's always, of course, there's a lot more. So thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing and liking the video, and have a great day.